Excuse me, why did the ride stop? A small technical problem, sir. We're checking.
Look, Lily, so many toy cars. Look, Liam, a soft pink teddy bear.
Listen, James, they are singing together. That's our brave kids, Sarah, so brave.
Wake up, we are late.
Late? Oh no, it is already 9.
Mom, I only have one shoe here. One shoe missing? Let's look together quickly.
Shoes do not disappear, Liam. They hide.
Then please help me find it, Dad. My favorite doll is missing too, Mommy. Oh, Lily, we will find her soon.
Okay, everyone, let's stop for 1 second.
There is no time to stop, James.
That did not help at all, Dad.
Well, it helped me a little bit.
Where are the fair tickets, James, exactly?
I put them somewhere very safe, promise.
Safe means you already forgot, doesn't it?
Maybe just a little bit, honestly. Dad loses everything important, every single time.
I do not lose everything, Liam, really. James, please just find those tickets now. I am looking everywhere.
Mom, I found my shoe under the sofa. See? Shoes really do like hiding.
Promise you will find my doll, Mommy?
I promise, my love, we will find her.
Don't worry, we can just buy new ones.
That costs extra money, James, remember?
Small problem, we will fix it later.
You always say that. Every single time. Wait, I still don't have shoes.
Oh my goodness, Lily, let's hurry.
This family is a beautiful little disaster.
A beautiful, very late disaster indeed.
We are the fastest family in the world.
The slowest family that thinks it's fast. All right, everyone, off we go.
Looks like a beautiful morning for it. Look, a doggy. Wow, it's a big one. We are here, finally. Look at all the lights, Dad. I smell jalebi somewhere.
Your nose is very talented, Lily. Okay, tickets please. One moment, everyone.
Please tell me you bought new ones.
I did buy them, Sarah.
Then where exactly are they now?
Found them. I am a hero today.
A hero who scared his whole family.
Look, Lily, so many toy cars. Look, Liam, a soft pink teddy bear. Dad, can I please get this toy car?
Let me check the price first, buddy. Money is a little bit tight today.
We planned a small budget, remember, James?
Okay, Liam, you can pick one small toy.
Just one toy, really? Only one?
One good toy beats 5 small ones.
Okay then, I choose the toy car. Lily, sweetheart, what would you like? The soft pink teddy bear, please, Mummy.
We are okay on budget, just okay.
See?
I told you it works out.
Jalebi, I can smell it now.
Your nose never lies, does it, Lily?
That means it's a really good jalebi.
Sarah, you have a little sugar on your nose.
Where is it? Get it off, please.
There, perfect again, my love.
You are silly, James, so silly.
Silly and completely in love, Sarah.
Parents, please, not out in public. I think it's sweet, just like jalebi.
Okay, family, what ride is next?
The big ride, the really big one. I want to go too, Liam, please. Are you sure, Lily? It looks very tall. I am not scared, I am brave.
That's the spirit, little one. Well said.
Okay, but hold hands, both of you, please.
We will, Mum, don't you worry. Don't worry, I am right beside you. Hold on tight, both of you, okay?
Have fun, kids. We are watching you.
Wow, we're going so high. Look at everything down there. It's so small. Look how high up we are, Lily. It's so pretty from up here, Liam. Oh no! What was that?
Whoa, what just happened right now?
Why did we stop, Liam? Why?
Liam, I am really scared now. It's gonna be all right, Lily. We'll find them.
It's okay, Lily. Don't be scared. But we are so high up, Liam. I want Mommy. I want Mommy now. Mommy can see us. She is watching. What if we never come down, Liam?
We will come down, I promise you.
Don't be scared, Lily. I am right here.
You promise, Liam?
Really, really promise? Really, really promise. Brothers don't lie. Okay, I believe you completely, Liam.
James, look! The ride has stopped!
I see it, Sarah. Stay calm, please.
Stay calm? Our children are up there.
I know. Let me talk to the operator.
I want to climb up there myself.
You cannot climb a fair ride, Sarah. Excuse me. Why did the ride stop? A small technical problem, sir. We're checking. My children are up there. Please hurry. We understand, sir. Working as fast as we can.
What did he say, James? Tell me.
Small problem. They are fixing it now.
How small, James? How small exactly?
Small enough, I really hope, Sarah. The operator is trying a manual switch now.
Is that safe, James? Is it safe?
I honestly don't know, but please work.
Lily, let's sing our favorite song.
Right now, during this scary moment? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high.
Listen, James, they are singing together. That's our brave kids, Sarah, so brave. Liam is really taking care of her. I am so proud.
He really is. They will be okay, Sarah.
I know, I just love them so much.
Me too. More than anything, Sarah. Is there another way to fix it? We may need the backup generator, ma'am.
10 minutes feels like forever right now.
Really? Can you help us, please? Ah, here is the problem. A loose wire. Thank you so much for helping us. No problem at all. I love fixing things.
You are our hero today, truly.
Just doing my small part, ma'am.
We're so grateful.
All right, here we go again. Yay! Woo!
Lily, we are moving, we are moving. We are moving, Liam, we really are.
Oh, thank goodness, finally.
See? I told you it would work out.
This time you were actually right.
I am right more than you think, Sarah. Here we go, safe and sound.
Wow, that was amazing! Let's go again! Mommy, I was so scared!
I know, baby. You are safe now.
Liam held my hand the whole time.
He did? That is so brave of him.
It was nothing, really, Dad. I was a little scared too, Dad.
Being scared and still brave, that's real courage. My whole family, safe together again.
Everyone is crying now. Look at us.
Happy crying, though, the very best kind.
My nose is running like jalebi syrup. Only Lily thinks about jalebi right now.
Jalebi makes everything better. Always.
She might actually be right, you know?
What a day this has been, truly.
A day we will never forget, ever.
I will never forget it either, honestly. Me too, especially the scary part.
Trust Lily to remember the scary part.
Are you feeling better now, Lily?
Much better. Liam took good care of me.
That's what brothers are for, Lily. Wait a moment, what is this here? James, the old tickets were in my bag.
What? They were with you the whole time?
The whole entire time, James, yes.
Unbelievable, simply unbelievable, all this time. Dad searched everywhere for absolutely nothing.
And my doll, Mommy. Where is my doll?
Oh, Lily, look what else is here.
My doll! You found her, Mommy. She was in my bag the whole morning.
This family loses things right next to us.
And finds them at the funniest moments. Today started with lost shoes and tickets.
And ended with a stuck ride, too.
But we solved every problem together, didn't we?
That's what family really does, right?
Exactly right, my love, exactly right.
Being brave means staying calm for someone else.
Like how Liam stayed calm for me.
That's a beautiful lesson, kids, truly.
A lesson we all learned together today.
Same time next year, everyone. Agreed?
Yes, but maybe a smaller ride next time.
A much, much smaller ride, please. Agreed, a very, very small ride.
Deal, small ride, big jalebi, next time.
Perfect plan, Daddy. Absolutely perfect.
That was the best ride, Dad.
Look, a carousel.
Let's go ride it.
Yes.
Hello, my friends. Thank you for watching. Artemkar. Today, our family had a very big scare. But we stayed brave. Together. As a family. Have you ever been stuck somewhere scary? Maybe on a ride? Or in an elevator? Tell us your story. We want to hear it. Tell us your story. We want to hear it.
Hello, everyone. Sarah here, with my family. Please write your story in the comments below.
Were you ever scared, but someone helped you?
We love reading your comments every single day. Your stories help other families feel less alone.
I was brave today. Were you brave too? I love jalebi. Do you love jalebi too?
Lily, please, let's focus on the question.
Oh, right! Comment below, everyone, please! Thank you for watching our family story.
So tell us, what would you do if you were stuck?